love to answer your questions. Welcome to Motoring Fanatic. We love fun, relaxing, adventurous escapes in our favorite cars. I present you with everything under the sun about motoring in America. This YouTube channel is a reflection of my experiences motoring, travel preparation, car-related activities, automotive safety, car maintenance, and more, with several new videos every month. Journeys, discoveries, friendships, all for you. I am Burke. I share my enjoyment of motoring freedom through this YouTube channel and Facebook page. My goal is to help you escape, de-stress, clear your mind, and make new friends. You need that break from the rat race. You enjoy adventures. Your heart is looking for great new friendships. Motoring, fun driving activities are a great way to accomplish your goals. I am proudly announcing Motoring Fanatic as your beacon and support for your automotive tripping desires. Topics are grouped for you into easy categories: preparation, activities, safety, maintenance, and other stuff. Through my vast experience of the car community, we join together for in-depth discussions and observations about driving our favorite cars, going on cruises, joining in on car meets and shows, learning about our cars, how to drive alone and in groups, and cautions, distractions, preparations for drives, car security and protection, how to do something, do it yourselves, and spending less money. Everything possible to give you ease of mind, relaxing, so that you can travel and have fun. Whether you take short drives, long distance cruises, or tours, search for animals like deer on the back roads, I guide your enthusiasm for motoring. Do you have insights and secrets that you want to share? Well, great! Visit me on my Facebook page and let me know what information you have, and I will develop your topic for a video if possible. What are my resources? Great question. Aside from the internet, I have plenty of friends, car organizers that do meets and shows, hot rod shops like Yellow Jacket Garage, Callaway Customs, Murray's Speed Shop, and Falls Crafts. Well, I also have dealerships that are friendly with me, like Holiday Chevrolet and Toyota of Paris. Many other acquaintances that are involved in racing and security. And aside from all of that, I've been a firefighter, hold a master's in psychology, a bachelor's in computer science, minors in biology, chemistry, math, English. You would think I would talk better. Anyway, and more. So I've got plenty of background and resources behind me. I am reaching out to all of you. While I have the things that I love to do, you are certainly welcome to give input that I will do my best to act on. I am only one guy doing this hobby seriously by myself, yet I encourage you to interact. I would like you to join me on my Facebook page. There I can more easily follow your thoughts, and you can give me tips, ideas, debate with me, ask questions, relate your adventures, and just say hello. Young and old, we're all part of this car community. In Motoring Fanatic, I want us all to drive with confidence and certainty. We will be prepared and safe, participate in great activities, join old friends, and make new ones. Our journeys will take us along highways and back roads to shops, parks, museums, and escape from stress. As a motoring fanatic, you'll find automotive trips more enjoyable than you might have ever realized. Hey, thank you so much for fueling your motoring curiosity by visiting me. Please relax, take it easy, and enjoy that great car of yours. And you know what? Be a motoring fanatic. Thank you all.